Hello. And I'm gonna make a really nice, simple, delicious, semi-healthy vegan mac and cheese. Let's get to the recipe. The base of this easy vegan mac and cheese is going to be some carrots, cashews, garlic, and we're going to simmer until really nice and soft with a couple bay leaves. Boil for about 20 minutes until the carrots are really nice and evenly cooked. Cook your favorite pasta. I chose a combination of some whole wheat pasta and also bow tie. And to make the sauce, we're going to add some rice vinegar in addition to our boiled cashews, carrots, and garlic with some nutritional yeast. Add some nutmeg in there, smoked paprika and black pepper in addition to turmeric for color and overall anti-inflammatory properties, and mix in a high-speed blender until everything is really nice and smooth. Add half a cup to a cup of soy milk depending on how loose or thick you want the sauce to be. Add your sauce to your cooked pasta in addition to frozen or fresh spinach. I chose to use frozen spinach that had been defrosted, and continue to give it a good mix, adding as much or as little sauce as you'd like. For extra protein, I added 1.5 to 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. These were frozen and thawed. And you can add any additional legumes, whatever you want, to this pasta and enjoy however you like. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for videos every Friday and daily shorts, folks. Thank you so much and see you next time.